Hey, this is Pranav Nair. 26 January 2001. An earthquake occurred in the Gujrat province of India, killing around 20,000 people and injuring around 167,000 people, among which were my family and my friends. It really twisted my life upside down. We were lost. We lost everything. Our households, family. We lived in streets and ate the food provided by the government. I don't know what to say. It was a really very tragic event. Really very tragic. And it remains as a permanent wound within me. Maybe due to the loss of our family or my friends. Being frank, I don't know, but whenever such natural calamities occurs like earthquake, thunderstorms, cyclones, tsunamis, I really get scared. I really get scared out of my wits. But yes, it gives me the strength, a strength to act. Usually when I see buildings, offices, institutions, schools, or whatever prone to earthquake, I suddenly inform the requisite authorities. I just tell them this building is prone to earthquake, please take actions. I always keep my first aid kit ready, prepared, and I have even forced my localities to do so, and they have been cooperative. Really, the fact is that I can't take such a disaster anymore. I don't have enough within me to take more. Just I want to tell you that please be careful, always be prepared. Thank you.